Hi, viewers. We are going to say Salesforce Business Analyst Certification Preparation Part 6. So, customer discoveries has a demonstrate knowledge of Salesforce capabilities, align them with the business needs, and recommended potential solutions. This is the topics we are going to discuss today. Mm, Salesforce is a leading customer relationship management platform that offers a suite of cloud-based applications for sales, service, marketing, commerce, and more. Some of the key capabilities of Salesforce include leads and opportunity management, customer service and supports, marketing automation, collaboration and productivity tools, and customizable dashboards and reports. To be an effective Salesforce business analyst, it is important to understand the various features and functionalities of the platform and how they can be used to address a specific business need. By listening to the business goals, pain points, and requirements, your Salesforce business analyst can recommend solutions that leverage the capabilities of Salesforce to provide maximum benefit. Understanding Salesforce 360. Salesforce Customer 360 is an integrated CRM platform that provides a single view of a customer, allowing business to understand and engage with their customers across all channels. Performance and cost efficiency. Salesforce is a secure and compliant platform that has the capability to gather and consolidate data from any system through advanced tools to improve efficiency and minimize expenses. Multiple apps, multiple application enable teams across all industries to collaborate on customer information, personalize the interactions, and foster storage customers relationship. Understanding Salesforce 360, Slack integration. The Salesforce Customer 360 platform has a storage integrations with Slack, allowing employees, partners, and customers to collaborate in a shared workspace in a more efficient, interactive, and productive manner. Reliability. The Salesforce Customer Success Program provide all customers with access to resource and expertise from the comprehensive success ecosystem. Certified experts and specified apps are available to assist customers in implementing the solutions that will contribute to their success. Excuse me. Salesforce Customer 360 Solutions. It's a sales, service, marketing, commerce, analytics, integration, platform, Slack, net zero, industries, partners, and success. Salesforce Customer 360 Solutions brings together teams from marketing, sales, commerce, service, and IT to collaborate on customer focused initiatives. Um, but we can see what it's offer and then what's the product name. For sales, the Sales Cloud platform for sales team streamline and automate manual tasks, leading to increased efficiency and faster deal closure. For Service Cloud is the primer pre- premier solution for automating customer service. It helps provide an uniform experience across all channels, including online, phone, field, and chatbot integration. Marketing Cloud equips team with the top tools for establishing connection through multiple touch point, enabling the delivery of targeted message on the appropriate channel at the ideal time on a large scale. For Commerce Cloud offer tailored shopping experience across various channels, reducing obstacles and leading to maximum revenue generation. Analytic Tableau is the leading analytic platform globally, facilitating quicker understanding and improved decision making in the face of rapid change. Integrated. Integration, MuleSoft enable integration of data from any source into Salesforce, ensuring that critical information is accessible in a centralized location. For the platform, Salesforce platform comprise a suite of platform service, including AI, mobile, voice, etc., enabling the customization and creating of any types of app for any business area with simple clicks, eliminating the needs for code. Slack. Slack serves as a virtual headquarter and uniting the team application and partner in one location for efficient and adaptable work. Net zero. Net zero product allows companies to achieve net zero status by monitoring and reporting on sustainability efforts and making well informed carbon credit purchase efficiently. Industries. Salesforce technology has also been utilized to create industry specific solution and tools, allowing companies to meet their industry's unique needs. The result in saving time with ready to use configurations and benefiting from industry best practice. Companies in financial service, health cloud, media, consumer goods, and more have access to solutions distinctly designed for their industry. Partners, Salesforce capabilities can be expanded through partner developed solution and consultant available on App Exchange, which offers nearly 10,000 apps to further customize the solution Salesforce experience, delivering incredible value. Success. Customer success provide access to all the necessary resource for maximizing the benefits of Salesforce, including support plan, expertise, and professional service. The dedicated individual are fully committed to ensuring customer success and excel at providing the support needed for immediate and long-term success. Promote user adoption from the beginning. Effective development of new tools into the sales process is depending upon user adoption, the likelihood that people will accept and use the solution available to them. Include the sales team. Learn directly from the sales team about their process and their needs and wants. A number of sales team should always be included in the vendor or tool selection process as well as the product review process. Communication is if the solution is in response to an efficient needs or a request that is not naturally aligned to the current sales process. Explain and justify if any key functionality will be changed or lost to the sales team. Also, communicate the positive impact the solution can have on their work. Automation. When possible, automation manual sales process steps to elevate or diminish administrative burden on the sales team. User adoption best practice. User adoption can be influenced throughout the project lifecycle in different ways. Effective alignment. Ask effective to commit to supporting the project by engaging in communication, actively using the tools and requiring participations and using from their teams. Document process. Document the current state, what works well and what does not, the future state and the difference between the two. Identify points that will improve the work for to the sales team, making them want to use it. Address wants. While satisfying needs, also consider sales reps want pinpoint can be eliminated by incorporating automations for new features. Long-term adoptions. Once a project has been completed, engage in ongoing effort to encourage regular use of the product. Feedback. Create a process for users to submit feedback and ideas for improvement. Innovation. Review Salesforce release notes to evaluate new features. Maintenance excitement. Recognize great behavior by sharing success stories and encouraging users to do the same. Share benchmark reports that demonstrate ROI and the improvement that have been made. Salesforce user interface types. There are different methods for accessing and utilizing the Salesforce platform. This option allows the user to interact with the Salesforce data and futures according to their preferred method of access. Salesforce Classic UI. Salesforce Classic is the original user interface for Salesforce. It has a traditional layout and it's familiar to many users who have been using Salesforce for a long time. Lightning Experience. Salesforce Lightning Experience is a newer, more modern users interface for Salesforce that provide a refreshed look and feel, improved navigation, and new features. This is the page for the Salesforce Classic. So I can show you how we can go for the Salesforce Classic now. So this is the main page when you open. So I can. So if you want to switch into the Classic, so you can go to the avatar and then if you switch to Salesforce Classic, it goes to Classic. So this is the Classic view and you can switch back to Lightning Experience. So this is the new way. And this is the Lightning page, what we have showed here. Lightning Experience Adaptation. The Lightning Usage app provides Lightning Experience adoption matrix based on the usage activity and security aspects of Lightning Experience. Purpose. With the transaction of Lightning Experience mostly unwelcomed by seasoned user, the Lightning Usage app offers matrix on how users have accommodated by the change and insight into areas of less adoption. It helps focus on improving the related features. Salesforce Optimizer. Run Salesforce Optimizer can find ways to simplify customization and drive better features adoption. Customer reports. Lightning usage app data can also be accessed and visualized in custom reports by creating a custom report type. Lightning Experience Adoption Matrix. The following matrix are available on the Lightning Usage app under the tabs Activity Usage and Security. Daily and monthly active users in Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. Daily and monthly switches to Salesforce Classic. Profile and users that switch to Salesforce Classic. Slowest desktop records page, browser used to access Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. Pages viewed most often in Lightning Experience, number of active users features and the permission set license. Lightning usage app. The Lightning usage app can be accessed from App Launcher. I can show you how we can go for the app launcher. So this is the app launcher. We can go to any app, whatever app you want to go. We can select here and you can go. Lightning. I think I don't have that lightning usage app. Oh, thanks. I have it. So this is the lightning usage app. This is the developer arc, so I won't do a more activities. So that's why you are not seeing anything. But if you look into your company arc, you can find more result here. Salesforce Optimizer shows where to improve, implement for better adoption. So for this, we saw in the previous video, part 5, we saw Salesforce Optimizer, how we can use it. My report is still running somehow. So this is the Sales Optimizer I'm running currently. So I'm creating the report. It's still in the process. So once it's done, you can see this kind of report in that page what I showed. System overview. The system overview page shows metrics that help identify usage and limits information for the future that are enabled for the arc. User interface sections display custom app, published site.com site, active Salesforce site, active flows, custom tabs, visual force pages. System overview for user interface. The system overview page under setup shows usage and limits. Um, so this is how the system overview page look like. We can check. This is the system overview page. So it can shows um, so the my data storage and other whatever I'm using. So look, it's showing the warning I used all the license. Yeah, those kind of information you can see in the system overview. Sales enablement, user success encourage user adoption. Sales enablement is a process of education and guidance that gives members of the sales team the skills and tools they need to succeed. Choose a goal, identify a specific KPI, key performance indicator, and define the target goal. Shape the behavior, create a specific training that will drive behavior changes. Define the behavior, identify which behavior affects that matrix. Adapt, learn, repeat, periodically access if the enablement was a success. Best practice, um, sales enablement to focus on creating data driven, relevant, and personal training. So use data, track sales rep as they make progress and reach milestone. Data can shows how behavior affects goal attainment. Training models, create smaller learning models and deliver them at the right time to avoid overwhelming the team. Sell concurrently, speed up ramp time by selling while onboarding and learning. Content library, um, curate very variety of content to accommodate different learning styles and topics. Technical debt. Technical debt is the extra work that occurs in the result of taking shortcut or choosing a quicker and easier solution. Short-term fix. This is occurred when speed is prioritized over quality. In the long run, more cost and time may be required to maintain or enhance the quick fix solution. Further work, yes, sorry, future work. Technical debt is not necessarily harmful to the org. However, it can become time consuming and require a lot of effort to clean up or address at later time. Examples of technical debt. Over time, the accumulation of technical debt can lead to decreased efficiency and closely maintenance effort in the future. Unused report data, their dashboard list views, unassigned profile, permission set roles, groups, page layout, and record types, inactive users and automation, hard coded reference in code, solution built on outdated features or version, solutions that are not scalable or difficult to maintain. Identifying technical doubt. Salesforce Optimizer evaluated the arc and identify ways to reduce debt by making recommendation related to maintenance, productivity, and adoption. Quick win. Items with minimal estimated efforts can be relatively easy to access and clean up. Action required. Items can be shorted based on the following status: action required, review required, not currently enabled, immediate action required. Documentation. Proper documentation ensure that the information associated with the project is retained, organized, and communicated effectively. Types of documentation. There is a vast variety of a document type that can be produced and used by business analysts. Different factors will determine the type and format of the documentation. Only the most appropriate type of document are created and utilized for each project. Documentation satisfies several project needs and is received by different types of stakeholders involved in the project. The form and format of the information can be equally important as the content. Project documentation. This document clarify the types and scope of a project, and they can be used to organize and communicate the progress of the project. Scope statement specification. Clear definition of the goal to be achieved and the what to be included. Glossary, list of fundamental terms and definition. System requirement specifications, detailed list of functional and non-functional requirement. Business analyst plan, comprehensive list of all the business analyst activities for the project. Change request logs, key data regarding change requests such as register and relevant dates. Stakeholder documentation. Various types of documentation can be used to organize the information about and from project stakeholders. Stakeholder analysis, key people and the impact or contribution they can have the project. Elicitation records, information collected from stakeholders via various elicitation techniques, interviews, surveys, or focus group. Raise chat, the matrix that identifies different tools or stakeholders within the project. Raise chat. Raise chat is a matrix that identify the different stakeholders, roles of stakeholders within a project. Raise is a acronymic responsible individuals that do the work or perform the activity. Accountable individual accountable for outcome, consulted, individuals who provide feedback, informed, individual who must know of a decision or action. Process improvement document. These documents are used to understand and identify areas for improvement. There are also useful tools to encourage and increase user adoption. Current state analysis. Identify and evaluate the existing business process or domain. Details what is and isn't working well. Gap analysis, the difference between the current process and the further or ideal process. Types of documentation. There are different ways to document a functional requirement. User story. Describe desired functionality from the perspective of an end user. Use case. Describe the interaction between a user and the system to achieve the desired goal. Functional requirement specification. Detailed and a technical description of what the system should do. Presenting result and documentation. The format in which information is presented is just as important as the information itself. The difference between documentation format are their intended purpose, audience, and formality. Formal documentation, written material that adhere to an organizational template or specific format. Informal documentation does not necessarily follow a strict format or style and is meant for internal or temporary use. Presentation ideal for communication and communicating a high level overview of goal, solution, or information. We can see some scenario. Cosmic Trading Solution has been facing issue with the customer management and want to improve the overall customer experience. The sales, marketing, and support teams are using different systems that are not integrated, leading to siloed informations and a disconnected customer experience. The solution is connected customer experience are enabled through Salesforce Customers 360, where all customer interactions are tracked regarding of department of touch point. The integration of Salesforce products such as Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud helps connect different departments to the customer, providing a unified view of the customer journey. Salesforce AI powered features such as Einstein can help prioritize customer need and provide personalized recommendation to sales and support team. The perform flexibility and customization options allow the company to tailor the solution to their specific business need, improving the overall customer experience. These are all the additional resource you can find. Thank you for focus on force. Yeah, thank you for watching all. Bye.